There's a problem with the suspension on this minivan. It's sagging on the left side. Hopefully you can see the left side is lower. Measure it from the top edge of the wheel to the fender lip, about 7 inches. This is on the left side. On the right side, 7.5. That's a big difference. So the left side is indeed sagging, and we have a problem, probably with the strut. Let's take a look. This is actually dry. I don't see a major issue here. On the other side, about the same. Visually, I don't see any problem at all with the KYB struts. These are factory struts I replaced 4 years ago. A quick inspection shows this one is worn. For today, I'm going to try to reuse this factory strut to see if it's going to solve the problem. Take the strut off. Apply some penetrating oil on the mounting bolts. One at the bottom. Let them sit for 10 minutes before we take them off. It's a 17 millimeter. Take it off. Remember the orientation of this? It goes in this way. Now back to the top. 214 millimeter. To make it easier to remove, let's jack it up just a little bit. It's working. Yep. And now you can compress it. Okay. And now we can slide it out from the bottom. And here you go. This is KYB. Good quality. Now I'm going to put this factory strut back as an experiment. Again, the KYB strut seems to be working. And so this is more of an experiment to see if this is going to fix the issue. The spring has been 15 years. It might be worn. So this is left rear. Let's compare this to the right side. So on the right side, this looks better. After 15 years, the spring is worn, and this will be the next project to replace the springs. So today we're going to just put this factory strut back to show you the steps to replace the struts in the rear. On this model, the two holes are different, and this is the orientation. What I'm going to do now is to first get the bottom on and then secure the upper bolts. First thing you need to do is to compress it. The bottom bolt is on. You can just release the tension and let it go up. Because this is not enough to reach the bolt here. So what we need to do is, again, to jack up from the brake rotor. Okay, good. Now back to the bottom. Put the plate on. Fasten the nut. Tighten this to 58 pound-feet of torque. Now torque each one of these to 33 pound-feet of torque. 33. Great. The issue is likely the spring, which we're going to replace next time. I mean, this part of the spring is good. There's a section here that is rusty. May require replacement up to 15 years. So there's still half an inch difference between the two. The left side, driver's side, is still sagging. The problem is not with the struts. Most likely is due to the springs. Factory springs, after 15 years, they're aged. We're going to replace them next time. Okay, today we did not fix the problem, but we identified the problem and I show you the process to replace the struts, the real struts on this Honda Odyssey. If you are replacing your struts, either because they are leaking or because they are totally worn or damaged, best to replace them on both sides. This replacement does not change the geometry of suspension and you do not need an alignment. So I hope this video is helpful, informative. If you like this video, consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing to Professor's Garage. If Professor can do it, you can do it. Until next time, may the Lord bless you and give you peace. 平安。